Welcome to a new episode with ideas and insights. Find the strategies, tactics, and tools for your success in your initiative, project, and campaign. You are listening to the IdeaCast with your host, Tom Wittig.
For many businesses and organizations, it feels like this corona crisis is representing a big challenge, but also a big opportunity. And actually, many businesses feel that there is a big reset happening right now. So you need to reorient yourself and figure out what is trending, what are people looking for, what to offer where and to which customers. What are people searching actually? So today I want to talk about a couple of sources that you can actually check in order to find trending topics. The first one would be the search suggestions. So for example, when you go into Google and you type in a search term, you see that Google is suggesting automatically new search terms. Also, if you browse the Google search page a little bit further down, you can see other trending topics that Google is suggesting. Typically, it says something like other customers were searching for these and that topics. And you can do the same in YouTube, Bing, and many other platforms. I think this is a very quick and easy way to basically get an idea what is actually happening at any given day and time. A second tool would be Google Trends. So go to trendsgoogle.com. And this is a more sophisticated tool. And here Google is actually publishing the key trends, the search trends around the globe. And the interesting part is you can drill down into the time frame, the industry, the topics, even down to a local level if the local marketing is important for your key strategies. The next topic would be your own website. Well, that's something that people don't realize, but your own website has a wealth of information, and there are certain reports that tell you for which queries and search terms your website is showing up on the search pages. So one easy way to look into is your Google Search Console or your Bing Webmaster Tools. And there you have a list of search terms that basically tell you for which terms you are being found and what your ranking is on the search pages. Now, a good practice here is to link the Google Search Console with your Google Analytics, and then you can have some of these findings already in your Google Analytics view, so you don't have to go back to the Search Console every time. Also, another good practice is to use these search terms and actually build them into your website, into your product pages, landing pages, and so on. Now, these are the key and basic tools. There are many others. You can use a tool like, for example, Answer the Public, or other tools which tell you about trending hashtags. And Twitter, for example, the Twitter search API can tell you something about that. Now, the key is, of course, to use that information to, first of all, upgrade your existing content. I would first advise looking at existing content that you have and enriching it and updating it with the new topics, and also adding the new keywords that are showing up right now. And then if you don't have the content, then, of course, build a new content. Finally, another pro tip for those of you who have their own websites. In the Google Analytics, if you have implemented Google Analytics, you can check the behavioral flows, for example. And that gives you an idea where the drop-offs are in the flow and what people are actually looking for in their journey on the site. So that's always an important, let's say, barometer and see if people are finding something on your website. So as always, I wish you good luck and hope you can find opportunities in this time of the big reset.
When you are looking for inspiration and help with your digital marketing and growth initiatives, please check out our digital marketing agency, WITTIGONIA Digital. We provide a range of support from strategy to implementation tactics and optimization of digital marketing campaigns. From managed services to workshops and compact learning modules, our work supports you and your team. Discover more at wittigonia.com. Thank you for listening. I hope you find this episode interesting and helpful. Please rate and share this episode with your team, colleagues, and friends. You can find links to more information in the show notes of this episode.